What if the legendary Shelby GT350 returned with more power, sharper handling, and an aggressive new design that could challenge the world's best performance cars? That's exactly what enthusiasts are hoping for with the 2027 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350. While Ford hasn't officially revealed every detail yet, the expectations surrounding this iconic muscle car are incredibly high. Let's take a closer look at what this next generation performance machine could bring to the streets. The 2027 Shelby GT350 is expected to take the already bold Mustang design and push it even further. Up front, you could see a larger performance grille designed to improve airflow, paired with slimmer LED headlights that give the car a more intimidating appearance. A sculpted hood with functional heat extractors would hint at the powerful engine underneath, while a redesigned front splitter could improve high-speed stability along the sides. Wider fenders, lightweight alloy wheels, and aggressive side skirts would emphasize the GT350's track-focused personality. Around the back, a larger rear diffuser, quad exhaust outlets, and a functional rear wing would complete the performance-inspired look. Every angle of the car would serve both style and aerodynamic performance. Inside, the cabin is expected to blend modern technology with a driver-focused layout. Premium materials like leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber trim could cover the interior, creating a sporty yet upscale atmosphere. Deeply bolstered performance seats would keep the driver secure during spirited driving while remaining comfortable enough for everyday use. A large digital instrument cluster would provide customizable performance data, while a modern touchscreen infotainment system would offer wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto navigation, and over-the-air software updates. A premium sound system, wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and advanced voice controls would make every drive more enjoyable without distracting from the driving experience. Performance has always defined the Shelby GT350, and the 2027 model is expected to continue that tradition. Rumors suggest Ford may introduce a newly engineered, naturally aspirated V8 or an advanced high-output twin-turbo V8 capable of producing well over 550 horsepower. Power would likely be sent to the rear wheels through either a precise 6-speed manual transmission or a quick, shifting 10-speed automatic. With advanced suspension tuning, adaptive dampers, larger Brembo brakes, and improved chassis rigidity, the new GT350 could deliver exceptional handling on both the road and the racetrack. Drivers can also expect selectable drive modes that adjust steering, throttle response, suspension settings, and exhaust sound depending on driving conditions. Whether cruising on the highway or attacking corners on a race circuit, this Mustang would be built to inspire confidence. Safety and driver assistance technology are also expected to improve significantly. Features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system could all be available. Ford may also include performance telemetry software that allows drivers to monitor lap times, acceleration, braking performance, and other real-time driving data. As for pricing, the 2027 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 is expected to start around $72,000 in the United States, with higher trims and optional performance packages pushing the price closer to $90,000. Although it won't be inexpensive, buyers will likely see it as a strong value considering its performance, technology, and legendary Shelby heritage. The 2027 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 has all the ingredients to become one of the most exciting American performance cars of the decade. With aggressive styling, cutting-edge technology, thrilling performance, and everyday usability, it could satisfy both longtime Mustang fans and a new generation of driving enthusiasts. If Ford delivers on these expectations, the GT350 won't just continue a legendary nameplate, it could redefine what a modern muscle car should be. Would you choose the new Shelby GT350 over rivals from Chevrolet or Dodge? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive content.